Hello dear students, welcome to NET Biology Education. So in the previous lecture, I discussed till question number 1 to 120. So today we will discuss from 121 question, Biology part NET 2023 paper. So let's start dear students. Question number 120. Exile placentation is observed in option 1 given tomato, dianthus and pea. Option 2 cyanarose, petunia and lemon. Option 3 mustard, cucumber and primrose. Option 4 cyanarose, beans and lupin. So option 2 is the correct option here. Cyanarose, petunia and lemon. For 120, question number 120. Let's see question number 121. Which of the following stages of meiosis involves division of centromere? Option 1 anaphase 2, option 2 telophase, option 3 metaphase 1, option 4 metaphase 2. Option 1 is the correct option, anaphase 2. Let's see question number 122. Frequency of recombination between gene pairs on same chromosome as a measure of the distance between genes to map their position on chromosome was used for the first time by option 1 Alfred Sturtevant, option 2 Henking, option 3 Thomas Hunt Morgan, option 4 Saturn and Bovary. So option 1 is the correct option, Alfred Sturtevant. Dear students, option 1 is the correct option. Let's see question number 123. Cellulose does not form blue color with 128 iodide because option 1 it does not contain complex helix and hence cannot hold iodine molecules. So option 1 is the correct option for question number 123. Option 2 given it breaks down when iodine reacts with it. Option 3 it is a disaccharide. Option 4 it is a helical molecules. Option 1 is the correct option, it does not contain complex helix and hence can not hold iodine molecules. Let's see question number 124. In gene gun method used to introduce aligned DNA into host cell, microparticles of base metal are used. Option 1 tungsten or gold, option 2 silver, option 3 copper, option 4 zinc. So option 1 is the correct option, tungsten or gold. Question number 125. Identify the pair of heterosporous pteridophytes among the following. Option 1 Xylotum and Salvinia. Option 2 Equisetum and Salvinia. Option 3 Lycopodium and Selaginella. Option 4 Selaginella and Salvinia. So option 4 is the correct option. Selaginella and Salvinia is the correct answer. Question number 126. An equivocal proof that DNA is the genetic material was first proposed by option 1 Avery, McLeod and McCarthy. Option 2 Wilkins and Franklins. Option 3 Frederick Griffiths. Option 4 Alfred Hershey and Matthews. So option 4 is the correct option, dear students. Question number 127. How many ATP and NADPS2 are required for the synthesis of 1 molecule of glucose during Calvin cycle? Option 1 given 12 ATP and 16 NADPS2. Option 2 18 ATP and 16 NADPS2. Option 3 12 ATP and 12 NADPS2. Option 4 18 ATP and 12 NADPS2. So option 4 is the correct option, 18 ATP and 12 NADPS2. Dear students, actually I collected from my students and after myself solving the question I am discussing, dear student. So whatever the red circle are given, all the red circle are the correct answer. Let's see question number 128. Question number 128. Identify the correct statements. Detrivores perform fragmentation. Option A given, detrivores perform fragmentation. Option B, the humus is further degraded by some microbes during mineralization. Option C, water soluble inorganic nutrients go down into the soil and get precipitated by a process called leaching. Option D, the detritus food chain begin with living organisms. Option E, earthworms break down detritus into smaller particles by a process called catabolism. Shows the correct answer from the options given below. Option 1 C D E only, option 2 D E A only, option 3 A B C only, option 4 B C D only. So option 3 is the correct option, A B C only. A B C is the correct option, dear students. Question number 128, option 3 is the correct answer. Question number 129. In angiosperm, the haploid, diploid and triploid structures of a fertilized embryo sac sequentially are actually raining out. It's raining outside. So maybe background sound you will get, dear students. Option 1, synergid, zygote and primary endosperm nucleus. Option 2, synergids, antipodals and polar nuclei. Option 3, synergid, primary endosperm nucleus and zygote. Option 4, antipodal, synergids and primary endosperm nucleus. Option 1 is the correct option, synergid, zygote and primary endosperm nucleus. Question number 130. Given below are two statements. One is level test assertion A, and the other is level test reason R. Assertion A, ATP is used at two-step in glycolysis. Reason R, first ATP is used in converting glucose into glucose 6-phosphate and second ATP is used in conversion of fructose 6-phosphate into fructose 1,6-diphosphate. In the light of the above statement, shows the correct answer from the option given below. So which will be the correct answer? Option A is, option 1, A is true but R is false. Option 2, A is false but R is true. Option 3, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. So option 3 is the correct option here, dear students. Option 4, both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. So option 4 is wrong option. 1, 2 and 4 is the wrong option. Option 3 is the correct answer here. So let's see question number 131. Expressed sequence text ESTs refers to option 1, all genes whether expressed or unexpressed. Option 2, certain important expressed genes. Option 3, all genes that are expressed as RNA. Option 4, all genes that are expressed as protein. Option 3 is the correct option, all genes that are expressed as RNA. Question number 132. Among eukaryotes, replication of DNA takes place in option 1 G1 phase, option 2 G2 phase, option 3 M phase, option 4 S phase. So option 4 is the correct option here. Question number 133. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, Anderson Achars are the terms often used for describing the position of secondary xylem in the plant body. Statement 2, Achars condition is the most common features of the root system. In the light of the above statement, shows the correct answer from the option given below. So option 1, statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is false. So option 1 is wrong option. Option 2 given is statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is true. So option 2 is the correct option here. Option 3 given both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Option 4 both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. So 1, 2 and 3. This 1, 2 and 3 option is 1, 3 and 4 option is wrong option. Option 2 is the correct option. Statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is true. Let's see question number 134. Large colorful fragment flowers with nectar are seen in option 1 bird pollinated plants, option 2 wind pollinated plant, option 3 insect pollinated plants, option 4 birds pollinated plants. Option 3 is the correct option, insect pollinated plants. Question number 135. Which hormone promotes internode slash petioles elongations in deep water rice? Option 1 ethylene, option 2 2,4-D, option 4 GA3, option 4 kinetins. Option 1 is the correct option, ethylene. 135, question number 135, answer is option 1 ethylene. Let's see question number 136. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A flower is defined as modified short, wherein the short apical meristem changes to floral meristem. Reason R, internode of the shoot gets condensed to produce different floral appendages laterally as successive nodes instead of leaves. In the light of the above statement shows the correct answer from the option given below. So option A is true but R is false. Option 2 A is false but R is true. Option 3 both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. So option 3 is the correct option here, dear students. Question number 136. Option 3 is the correct answer. Option 4 given both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option 4 is also wrong. So option 3 is the correct option. Let's see question number 137. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 left side and right side given list 2. So A given M phase proteins are synthesized. B Z2 phase 2 given inactive phase. C quiescent stage. Option 3 given interval between mitosis and initiation of DNA replications. Option D G1 phase. IV equational division shows the correct answer from the option given below. So you have to match first right side to left side, that is list 1 to list 2, and find out the answer. So option 1 given A4 B1 C2 D3. Option 1 is the correct option here. 137 number question. Option 1 is the correct answer. Let's see question number 38. 138. How many different proteins does the ribosome consist of? Option 1 given 40, option 2 20, option 3 80, option 4 60. So option 3 is the correct option, 80. Let's see question number 139. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Water hyacinth grows abundantly in eutrophic water bodies and lead to an imbalance in the ecosystem dynamics of the water body. Option 2 given the amount of some toxic substances of industrial wastewater increase in the organism's and successive trophic levels. Option 3, the microorganisms involved in the biodegradations of organic matter in a sewage polluted water body consume a lot of oxygen, causing the death of aquatic organisms. Option 4, algal blooms caused by excess of organic matters in water improve water quality and promote fisheries. So option 4 is the correct option here. 139 question. Option 4 is the correct option. So let's see question number 140. Which of the following combinations is required for chemiosmosis? Chemiosmosis. Option 1, proton pump, electron gradient ATP synthesis. Option 2, proton pump, electron gradient NADP synthesis. Option 3, membrane, proton pump, proton gradient ATP synthesis. Option 4, membrane, proton pump, proton gradient NADP synthesis. Option 3 is the correct option. Question number 140, option 3 is the correct option. Membrane, proton pump, proton gradient ATP synthesis. So thank you for watching this video, dear students. I will discuss from question number 141 in the next lecture. So please like, subscribe and share and hit the bell icon of the lecture of this video. Thank you for watching, dear students, and I will give the link previous lecture and the next lecture in the I button, so you can watch by clicking on I button. Thank you for watching.